Hi guys, this is Kelly once again from Bond Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Adler 489A sewing machine, also known as the Adlermatic sewing machine. Okay, firstly I want to thank all my customers and those that view my videos. I want to say God bless you all, and also keep your questions coming and keep your comments coming. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button to get subsequent videos on machine reviews and other stuff about sewing machine. Okay, this machine is a German machine. I just got my hand on it and I said let me do a review of the machine today. Okay, it's the Adler 489A sewing machine, also known as Adlermatic machine. Okay, I actually have the manual here. These are the designs it can do. Okay, it has inbuilt designs, and this is the chart. Okay, it comes with some bunch of manuals, but they are written in German, and it's part of the entire package. Also, it has a tool set here. Okay, bunch of footers from the zebra foot to the straight foot to the rolled hem foot, and it comes with this cam. Okay, it uses this cam, which it uses in achieving any of the designs that are shown here. Okay, which I'll be going through shortly. These are the designs. It has a 2A, a 3A design. Okay, I'll quickly. This is the design I actually did. Some of them I could do. I did with the machine earlier on, and I'm going to run through them in a bit. It uses the industrial size shuttle and bobbin. Okay, like this is the shuttle it uses, and this is the bobbin. All right, now of course it uses a twin needle. This is the double thread stand it uses, and it comes with the light. Okay, the switch is at the back, which you can on and off. All right. So I'll run through it quickly. Double thread stand. All right. This is where you can change this cam, which I showed you earlier. This and this. Okay. And also, of course, this also is the changing point. You can also you change this when you turn this left or right. It achieves different design, which I'll be running through in the machine, but double thread stand, tension, footer uses the high shank foot. Okay, something like this. The shank is high. Okay, and over here you have your needle positioning, where you have your left, right, and center. Okay, this one here is for the back stitch when you want a back stitch. Okay, this is for the stitch length. All right, you just turn this, and this for the stitch length. All right, now here is for the footer, for the feed dogs rather. Okay, you bring this down, drops the feed dogs, bring it up, brings the feed dogs on for free motion embroidery. This one here is what controls the zigzag and the straight stitch. Okay, and of course this is the bobbin winder, when you want to wind your bobbin. Okay, so I'll quickly thread the machine, then run through a few stitches. Remember, this vintage machine, Adler 489A sewing machine. So I'll run through the threading and do a few stitches, couple of stitches. And also remember, a lot of guys keep asking me, do these embroidery machine, do they do straight stitch? I'm like, yes. By default, all machines, or most machines that does any other design, do straight stitch. Okay, so I'll run through the straight stitch, zigzag, and a couple of other stitches like we have in the chart here. Okay, all right, I'll do that in a bit. Okay guys, I already threaded the machine, and it's quite easy to thread. Okay, so from here the thread stand goes through this thing here down to there's a small hole here. Okay, it's actually two, so it runs through this or this if you're using the twin needle, goes down to the tension and comes up to the thread carrier, which is this. It also has two points here so you can use any one of the two. Then it comes down through to the this hook here. There's a small hook here down. Then you thread up to the this place here, and you thread from front to back. It uses the front oscillatory hook, so you thread from front to back. Okay, so that is the shuttle there placed, so it's on the front, so you thread from front to back. Okay, I'm gonna place the plate now. All right, so now in sewing the regular straight stitch, now if you come closely here, like I said, these things, they are for designs and all that, but if you want to sew the regular straight stitch in the machine, like this has two. There's a one that has a dot, okay, and a red dot, and then this one that doesn't have any dot at all. So you put this on this position here and this one on this position here. So make sure the one that doesn't have any dot sign is facing up. Okay, and this also, like I said, is the stitch length. It has from numbers 0 to 4. So we're using, let's say we want to use number 4 as the stitch length for this. Then this one here is what controls the zigzag. Okay, it has from numbers 0 to 5. So once you turn this lever from 0 to, like, say 1, 2, 3, or 5, you're sewing the zigzag stitch. So for regular straight stitch, you just keep it on 0 here. Okay, so this two this two that doesn't have a red dot faces up. This one stitch length, depending on what you want to stitch. This is the needle positioning, okay, which is the left, middle, and right, and all that. And this the lever. Of course, the feed dogs has to be taken up, which is what controls the feed dog there. So when I sew now, I'm actually sewing okay, that's the straight stitch. Okay, see, that's the back, that's the front. So let's say I want to reduce the stitch length. You just come here and you hold this down and you move it in the clockwise position, and let's say I want to put it on 2. All right, so when I sew, okay, stitch length is shorter compared to the first one. Then if you want to sew the regular zigzag before we go to other design, like I said, once you move this lever here, you're sewing the zigzag. So I want to move this lever to 5. Okay, and when I sew, so that's the zigzag, the back and the front. Okay, so you can further reduce the stitch length to get a more closer stitch. So I would take this down to, let's say I want to put it to like 1. Okay, the number 1 here on the stitch length regulator, and so see, that's the much reduced stitch length there. So now to sew any of these designs I showed you earlier on, like this one I did earlier on, or any of the designs you have here on the chart, okay, and also this, any of this, yeah, they're also the same thing. If you look closely here, you have the Adler 1A, you have the 2A, you have the 3A. So and this here has when you're using a single needle, and this is when you're using twin needle, okay, on all of them. And like I told you earlier on, the machine comes with disc cam. It has this is how the disc cam looks like. This is 1A, which is this. So each of the designs here, they're actually here on the disc cam. So you have 2A also, which is this. Then the 3A is inside the machine. So for you to change the disc cam, so which I'm going to use, I'm going to put the 1A right now. So you just pull this down and pull it off. All right, this is the 3A design this cam that's there. I'm gonna put 1A right now. Okay, okay, let's do that in a moment. All right, and you close it back. Now 1A, these are the designs that 1A do. I'll do a couple of design here in 2A and the 3A. All right, so now 1A, I want to do this design. Okay, this one here. All right, now if you look closely in doing, this is the 1A, this one here has to be up. Okay, the one with the red dot, I told you Ella, has to be up, this has to be down. This up and down means this here has to be up, okay, which is this. Then this one is already in the down position. Okay, then this here, which is the stitch length regulator, has to be on the buttonhole section, which is this. All right, this one is the buttonhole section. And this one here, the needle position need to be on left. Okay, so I take it down to left position. So when I sew, I should be able to get the output of this. All right, so I'm sewing right now. Okay, so see, now I can further reduce this stitch length. I can actually further reduce the stitch length to get a more finer and a closer stitch. So do that in a moment. So stitch length then. When you're sewing, this moves up and down, okay, all right, that's it. Okay, you see a much finer stitch. Now if I should put this needle position down to the middle, and when I sew, if you're very good with the embroidery and how to make designs on clothes, you can be able to apply this and you get a beautiful design on your clothes. The seams are perfect, the stitches are pretty decent and good, and it's a noiseless machine, and I like the fact that there's precision when it comes to sewing. Okay, so that's it. That's the back of the design and that's the front. So now I'm going to change this cam also and just put for the purpose of time, let me put another disc cam so you can see another design entirely. All right, now in changing the disc cam here, you just turn this one back to the default, which is this, and you can remove this. Then let's say I want to choose number 2A. Okay, so I'll put it in and lock it down. Now I look at my chart and see, okay, I want to do one of the designs here, which is this. Okay, so I want to achieve this design. So in doing that, the 2A, the 2 has to be up. So I'm taking this up. All right, so yeah, up, and this okay, so now I'll sew. See, as you're sewing, the two mechanisms are going up and down, back and forth. See, there's another design on its own, and you can also do other designs. Okay, I checked 2A. I want to do maybe one of the designs here in the 2A. You just come right here, look at the chart, and okay, so you want to achieve something different. All right, let's do this. Okay, I want to achieve this, which is 2A. So this is up, down, then needle position to the left. So this is up, and this is down, and the needle positioning has to be on the left. All right, so it's as easy as it is. So once you put your disc on and you get the chart, it's quite easy to achieve any of the designs that you have there. Okay, see, beautiful output. So in achieving any of these designs, these are the little that I could do for the video right now. But once you get the machine, you can also achieve any of the design you have here, both with a single needle and the twin needle. And also this, I think subsequent video I'll be able to show how to use any of the filters here. It's quite easy to use, and I think it's a pretty decent machine. I love the machine, and Germans, and you know how they careful about their craftiness and how they do their machines and their products. I actually love the machine. It's the Adler 489A sewing machine, also known as the Adler-matic. All right. So also remember to, if you want this machine, you can also contact me. You can on the website. I drop down on the description, and any questions or comments, just keep them coming in. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.